Hi guys, today I have a PC build for you. This week it's a $750 build. If this is too expensive for you, check the previous video in the info card. Or you can watch this video for fun. Please leave a like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. The first part is the processor. I have chosen for the Intel Core i5-9400. It's clocked at 2.9 GHz and you can overclock it to 4.1 GHz. The processor also needs to be cooled, so I have chosen for the Cooler Master Hyper 212. This will keep the CPU cool even if you overclock him, and he will do this all really quiet. The motherboard I have chosen is the Gigabyte H370HD3. It has 4 RAM slots, 2 PCIe x 16 slots and 4 PCIe x 1 slots. There are 7 USB Type A ports and also 1 USB Type C port. We have 16 GB RAM with the G-Skill Ripsaw V series. It's a DDR4 3000 Hz kit with two 8 GB modules. The PC needs also to have fast storage, so the crucial BX500 is the key. It's a fast SSD, and yes, it's 480 GB, so if you need more, you need to spend $50 more. This all fits in the Cooler Master MB600i. This case is not too pricey, but it has some really cool features. There's a glass side panel and there's space for cable management. The graphics card I've chosen is the GeForce GTX 1660 from MSI. It has 6 GB memory, there are 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port, but it has no RGB. And the last thing we need is a power supply. This one is from Thermaltake. It's the Smart 550 watt 80 plus bronze power supply. So, this was the video. I hope you liked it. Hit the